Hi, this is Mark from ShowMeCables, and today we're going to talk about angled VGA cables. We sell two styles of angled VGA cables, an upward facing and a downward facing version. Angled VGA cables provide strain relief and also give a low profile installation on the back of your PC. The VGA connector is commonly found on most PCs. It's the 15-pin connector and it contains 3 rows of 5 pins. It is slightly tapered. When choosing an angled VGA cable, make sure you choose the right angle. A downward facing VGA cable faces towards the taper. An upward facing VGA cable faces away from the taper. We have demonstrated these cables on a horizontally oriented VGA connector. However, if your VGA connector is vertically aligned, understand that a downward VGA cable will face to the left and an upward VGA cable will face to the right. This is Mark from ShowMeCables. Choose us for all your VGA cable needs.